Cooking with AI robots, the rise of automated kitchen assistants. Greetings. Welcome to the podcast, where we dive into a topic that's reshaping kitchens across America and the world: AI-powered kitchen assistants. Imagine waking up, and before you even step into the kitchen, your AI-driven cooking robot has already prepped your breakfast, measured ingredients, and started cooking. Sounds futuristic? Well, the future is already here. The burnt dinner dilemma. Last Thanksgiving, Mark, a tech-savvy dad from Texas, was juggling multiple dishes when he got distracted watching the football game. By the time he remembered his oven-roasted turkey, it was overcooked and dry. This year, he let his AI kitchen assistant handle the roasting. With precise temperature control and real-time monitoring, the turkey came out juicy and perfect. Now, his family swears by AI-assisted holiday meals. The late-night chef, Emma, a college student in California, often pulls all-nighters studying. Cooking was the last thing on her mind, leading to a lot of instant noodles and takeout. One day, she discovered AI-powered meal prep. Now, her AI assistant preps ingredients, suggests quick recipes, and even sets reminders to start cooking. With healthier meals ready in minutes, she feels more energized and focused for exams. Grandma's secret recipe meets AI. Raj, an Indian American in New York, wanted to recreate his grandmother's famous curry but struggled with the complex spice combinations. He uploaded the recipe into his AI cooking assistant, which analyzed the flavors and gave him step-by-step guidance. To his surprise, the dish turned out just like his grandma's. Now, he's preserving family recipes while using AI to perfect them. The kitchen disaster saver, Lisa and John, newlyweds from Chicago, tried cooking together for date night, but disaster struck when they misread a recipe and doubled the salt. Luckily, their AI cooking assistant detected the imbalance and suggested ingredient adjustments in real time. They salvaged the meal, and now their AI assistant is their go-to for stress-free cooking. AI to the rescue for special diets. Jason from Florida was diagnosed with diabetes and struggled to find tasty meals that fit his dietary needs. His AI kitchen assistant created a personalized meal plan, tracking his sugar intake and suggesting carb-friendly alternatives. Cooking became easier, and he now enjoys delicious meals without worrying about his health. He even introduced AI cooking to his support group, helping others manage their diets effortlessly. These real-life scenarios show how AI-powered kitchen assistants are transforming lives, making cooking more efficient, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. The AI kitchen revolution, a game-changer for home cooks. Smart kitchens are no longer a luxury, they're becoming mainstream. AI-powered cooking assistants are transforming how we prepare food, from automating meal prep to optimizing cooking times for the perfect dish. Whether you're a busy professional in New York, a health-conscious parent in California, or a food enthusiast in Texas, AI is making cooking faster, easier, and more efficient. These robots analyze recipes, adjust cooking temperatures, and even personalize meals based on dietary needs. AI in the kitchen? Efficiency, convenience, and health. One of the biggest pain points in home cooking is time management. With AI-driven kitchen automation, meal prep and cooking can be done in half the time. AI assistants can track nutritional values, portion control, and even recommend meal plans based on your health goals. For those focused on healthy eating, AI ensures precision cooking, eliminating guesswork, reducing food waste, and enhancing meal quality. How AI kitchen assistants work. AI-powered kitchen assistants use machine learning to understand recipes, adjust ingredients based on preferences, and provide real-time cooking guidance. Some models use computer vision to recognize food items, while others rely on voice commands for hands-free cooking. These advancements are making it possible for anyone to create gourmet-quality meals with minimal effort. Will AI replace human chefs? Not quite. While AI robots can automate repetitive tasks, human creativity and the art of cooking remain irreplaceable. Instead of replacing chefs, AI is augmenting skills, allowing home cooks to experiment with new flavors and techniques without the fear of failure. It's a collaboration. AI provides precision, while humans bring creativity. Real-world applications, AI in everyday kitchens. From single-person households in San Francisco to large families in Chicago, AI-powered kitchen assistants are making a difference. They help parents manage meal prep efficiently, assist seniors in cooking safely, and empower individuals with disabilities by offering hands-free operation. The impact extends beyond homes. Restaurants and catering businesses are leveraging AI to streamline food preparation, reduce human error, and optimize kitchen workflow. Step-by-step process to set up an AI-powered kitchen assistant. Step 1. Choose the right AI kitchen assistant. Research AI-powered kitchen devices, example AI cooking robots, smart ovens, automated stirrers. Consider features like recipe integration, voice commands, and meal planning capabilities. Check compatibility with smart home ecosystems, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Set a budget based on your needs. Basic models start at $100, while advanced ones can go beyond $1,000. Step 2. Unbox and assemble your AI kitchen assistant. Carefully unbox your AI cooking assistant and check for all included parts. Follow the manufacturer's manual to assemble necessary components. Ensure all parts are securely attached, especially moving or detachable elements like blades and stirrers. Step 3. Connect to power and Wi-Fi. Plug in the device and turn it on. Connect it to your home Wi-Fi network using the device's app or touchscreen interface. Ensure a stable internet connection for smooth operation and cloud-based updates. Step 4. Install and configure the mobile app. Download the official app, available on iOS/Android, from the manufacturer. Sign up or log in to your account. Follow on-screen instructions to pair your AI kitchen assistant with the app. Step 5. Customize settings and preferences. Set up dietary preferences, example vegan, keto, gluten-free. Configure portion sizes and ingredient restrictions, for food allergies or special diets. Enable voice command settings if supported. Adjust cooking temperature and precision controls based on your cooking style. Step 6. Integrate with smart home devices. Sync your AI kitchen assistant with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Enable voice control for hands-free operation. Connect it to other smart appliances, smart fridge, smart oven, for a seamless cooking experience. Step 7. Load ingredients and test a basic recipe. Add ingredients as per the device's instructions. Select a simple test recipe from the app. Follow step-by-step guidance or let the AI cook automatically. Observe the process and make adjustments if needed. Step 8. Learn and optimize usage. Experiment with different recipes and customize settings. Use AI-generated shopping lists and meal planning features. Enable machine learning so the assistant can improve recipe suggestions based on your habits. Step 9. Perform regular maintenance and updates. Clean the device after each use. Some models have self-cleaning features. Regularly update software/firmware via the mobile app for the latest improvements. Check and replace worn-out parts, such as blades or sensors, as needed. Step 10. Enjoy a smarter cooking experience. Let the AI assistant take care of meal planning, cooking, and even grocery shopping. Continue exploring new recipes and advanced features. Optimize your cooking efficiency while enjoying hands-free assistance. Set up multiple AI assistants, example smart fridge, smart oven, for a fully automated kitchen experience. The future of AI in cooking, what's next? AI kitchen assistants are constantly evolving. Future advancements may include voice-controlled recipe adjustments, real-time modifications based on dietary restrictions. Smart meal planning, AI-powered grocery lists that integrate with delivery services. Automated cooking stations, personalized cooking for multiple users with different dietary preferences. As the demand for kitchen automation grows, we can expect AI cooking assistants to become an essential part of modern homes, redefining how we cook and experience food. FAQs about AI-powered kitchen assistants. What is an AI kitchen assistant? An AI kitchen assistant is a smart device powered by artificial intelligence that helps automate cooking tasks such as meal prep, ingredient measurement, recipe recommendations, and even hands-free cooking. How do AI-powered kitchen robots work? These robots use sensors, machine learning, and smart algorithms to understand cooking processes, monitor temperatures, suggest recipes, and assist with food preparation, making cooking more efficient and precise. Can AI kitchen assistants replace human chefs? Not entirely. AI robots can handle repetitive tasks, optimize cooking efficiency, and assist home cooks, but human creativity, taste preferences, and improvisation still play a vital role in the kitchen. Are AI cooking assistants safe to use? Yes, most AI kitchen assistants have built-in safety features like auto shut-off, heat sensors, and spill detection to prevent accidents and ensure a hassle-free cooking experience. Can AI robots cook an entire meal on their own? Some advanced models can handle entire meals by chopping, stirring, cooking, and plating. However, many AI kitchen assistants work best when paired with human supervision for customization and plating. Do AI cooking assistants work with voice commands? Yes, many AI kitchen robots integrate with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or their own AI interface, allowing hands-free operation through voice commands. Are AI-powered kitchen robots expensive? Prices vary based on features and capabilities. While high-end models can be costly, there are budget-friendly AI kitchen gadgets that automate basic cooking tasks. Do AI kitchen assistants learn my food preferences? Yes. AI cooking assistants use machine learning to analyze your food choices, dietary preferences, and cooking history to suggest personalized recipes and meal plans. Can AI kitchen assistants help with meal planning? Absolutely. AI-powered kitchen tools can generate meal plans based on dietary restrictions, ingredient availability, and nutrition goals, helping you save time and reduce food waste. How do AI robots enhance cooking efficiency? They streamline cooking by automating tedious tasks like chopping, stirring, and temperature control, ensuring consistent results and reducing time spent in the kitchen. Can AI-powered kitchen robots help with weight loss or special diets? Yes. Many AI cooking assistants offer personalized meal suggestions based on calorie intake, macronutrient tracking, and dietary needs like keto, vegan, or gluten-free. Do AI cooking assistants have recipe databases? Yes, they connect to vast online recipe databases and can adapt recipes based on available ingredients and user preferences. Can AI robots handle multiple cooking tasks at once? Some advanced AI cooking assistants can manage multiple tasks, such as simmering a sauce while grilling meat, making meal preparation more seamless. Are AI-powered kitchen assistants useful for beginners? Definitely. AI robots provide step-by-step instructions, cooking timers, and smart suggestions, making them ideal for beginners looking to improve their cooking skills. Do AI kitchen assistants clean up after cooking? While some models come with self-cleaning features, most AI robots still require manual cleaning after use. However, they help reduce mess by minimizing spills and tracking ingredient usage. Can AI cooking assistants adjust for food allergies? Yes. AI-powered kitchen assistants can customize recipes based on dietary restrictions, allergies, or ingredient substitutions, ensuring safe and enjoyable meals. Will AI cooking assistants take over restaurants in the future? AI is already transforming the restaurant industry, with some robotic kitchens automating meal preparation. However, human chefs will always play a role in creativity, plating, and customer experience. Do AI cooking assistants work with smart home technology? Yes, many AI kitchen assistants integrate with smart home ecosystems, allowing remote control, voice commands, and synchronization with other smart appliances. Are AI-powered kitchen robots eco-friendly? They can help reduce food waste by optimizing ingredient use and portion sizes. Some models also track energy efficiency, making them more sustainable. Can AI cooking assistants make international cuisine? Yes. AI-powered kitchen robots can access a vast range of global recipes, adjust spice levels, and provide cooking tips for different cuisines. Do AI cooking assistants work with grocery shopping apps? Many AI cooking assistants integrate with grocery apps, allowing you to create shopping lists, check ingredient availability, and even order groceries online. Can AI kitchen assistants teach cooking techniques? Yes. AI-powered kitchen assistants can guide you through various cooking techniques, from sous vide to baking, making them a great learning tool for home cooks. Are AI kitchen robots suitable for seniors? Absolutely. AI-powered cooking assistants simplify meal preparation for seniors by automating tasks, suggesting easy recipes, and providing voice-controlled instructions. How will AI impact the future of home cooking? AI is set to revolutionize home cooking by making it more personalized, efficient, and accessible, turning everyday kitchens into smart, automated culinary spaces. Is it worth investing in an AI-powered kitchen assistant? If you love convenience, time-saving, and smart technology, an AI-powered kitchen assistant can transform your cooking experience and simplify meal preparation. Are AI cooking assistants expensive? Costs vary, but prices are decreasing as technology advances, making them more accessible to households worldwide. Do AI cooking robots replace traditional appliances? No, they integrate with existing kitchen tools, enhancing functionality rather than replacing them. Can AI cooking assistants cater to dietary needs? Absolutely. They analyze nutritional values and adjust ingredients to match your health goals. How secure is AI in the kitchen? These assistants follow strict safety protocols, minimizing fire hazards and food safety risks. If you enjoyed today's podcast, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with friends who love smart kitchen innovations. Disclaimer: this podcast is for informational purposes only. Always supervise AI devices, follow food safety guidelines, and verify ingredient quality manually. AI is not a substitute for human oversight and may have limitations or risks, including cybersecurity concerns. We are not liable for any damages or issues arising from AI use. Use at your own discretion and follow manufacturer guidelines. Stay safe and cook smart.